morning. I absolutely love this view, but it's time to get moving. There's a lot more churches to see. I think a Mosaic on my agenda today. It's only 50 kilometers, but it's not going to be flat. The hostel is already halfway up a flight of stairs, up a hill I need to cross anyway. So, starting my day heaving luggage up. Another 28 shekels saved at the entrance. I think I'm almost breaking even on that annual National Parks pass already. Wow, Roman cart tracks down the street, mosaic tiling on either side. It must have been magnificent. Wow, super detailed on the floor of a mansion on the top of a hill. That was cool, but there was a really loud school group, always just 2 minutes behind me. I sound like a grumpy old lady.
ולכן אתם יכולים לראות פה תמונות של אנשים. זה בקצרה.
I couldn't find a Zodiac on the floor of an ancient synagogue, which surprises me. It seems quite pagan.
כזו מרכבתו של הליוס אל השמש, וסביבו 12 המזלות.
Tailwind! I'm trying a little backcountry shortcut through Zippori forest. I hope I don't regret it. I guess I wasn't expecting it to be so stony. I thought it'd just be an unsealed path. Shalom. Hi.
We obtain the increase of faith, of hope, and of charity through Christ our Lord.
In the Christian tradition, this is one of the where maybe Jesus turned water into wine. Regrettably, I am not nearly so skillful. Gutted. All the while I was in the Anglican church, I should have been at the Orthodox one, which is shut 6 minutes ago. I've come all this way, almost to my campsite, and neglected to get any water. Oh, nice. Big day. I got here later than I would have liked. Dinner is, I'm still eating Palestinian veggies with a little thing of hummus and some olives. It's a little bit makeshift because I am tightening my belt in Israel. Look at all these cucumbers. Big tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, za'atar herbs, a little thing of hummus and some pretty nice olives. Can't complain.